In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and manage your team on Calendly. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling and collaborate more effectively with your team, then you're in the right place. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Calendly and navigate to your home page. Once you're there, you're going to head over to the Admin Center. This is your hub for all team settings and management tools, so knowing how to navigate this space is essential. From the Admin Center, look for the View Team option. By clicking this, you can see all the details and settings related to your team at a glance. Next, you'll want to click Invite Users. This is where you'll add new members to your team. You'll see the option labeled Invite a Teammate, so go ahead and click on that. Here's where you'll input the emails of the teammates you want to add. There's a field under Add Emails where you can type in all the emails separated by commas. This step streamlines the process by letting you invite multiple people at once, saving you time and effort. Once you've entered all the necessary email addresses, the next step is to set roles for each new member. Click on Set Roles and assign the roles appropriately. Depending on your team's needs, you might want some members to have administrative permissions, while others may only need access to scheduling and viewing meetings. Tailoring these roles ensures that each member has access to the features necessary for their work and nothing more. After roles are set, click Send Invitation to send out the invites. Your team members will receive an email invitation to join your Calendly team. After sending the invitations, you'll receive a code. This is an important step, so make sure you copy the code accurately. Once copied, paste it into the designated field to move forward in the process. Having this code handy will help validate and complete the setup steps for your team integration. Next, you're going to click back to the home page of Calendly. From the home page, navigate over to the event type and select Group Event. This is especially useful if you're looking to organize meetings with multiple team members or clients. Group events are designed to handle multiple invitees and help you manage your attendee limits efficiently. After you've set your preferences for this event, ensure everything is correct, and once you're satisfied, click Save Changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now added team members to your Calendly account and set up group events to optimize your scheduling process. With these tools, managing your team and scheduling meetings should now be more seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.